Dear class, today we are going to study about the concept of biosphere. We are studying ecology right now. So as a part of ecology, the most basic unit of living and non-living interaction is called as an ecosystem. We know that every organism needs a physical environment to live, interact, grow. Isn't it or not? Yes. So an ecosystem can be as small as a drop of water, or it can be as large as an ocean. I have always told you about it, isn't it or not? A small organism, microorganism like a bacteria, also interacts with its environment, and a large forest area, imagine, with thousands of species, always interacts with its physical environment. So even a bacteria living in a petri dish is also called as an ecosystem, and a forest is also called as an ecosystem. So basically, what do we understand by an ecosystem? Ecosystem is a predefined area in which living, that is the biotic, and the non-living, that is the abiotic factors, continuously interact with each other, exchange with each other, and live in perfect harmony. Isn't it or not? Yes. If we are taking examples of ecosystem, it can be a land ecosystem like forest, desert, grassland, or it can be a water ecosystem like marine or freshwater ecosystems. Since they occupy large areas of land, usually we amalgamate all of them and use a word called as biome. So what is a biome? Biome is nothing but a few ecosystems put together in a large geographical area is called as a biome. Like you come across a tundra, you come across an Antarctic region, or a large tract of Himalayan region, all those different kinds of ecosystem on the mountain, in the water, on the land come encompassed together, and we call it as a biome. Yes, a small unit of such kind of a biome is called as a microbiome. Yes, and if you are taking up all the biomes of the world together, that is all the continents biomes, if we put together, we come across a concept called as a biosphere. Biosphere is nothing but sphere of life. It is nothing but the earth. So what is a biosphere? Biosphere is nothing but the entire or totality of living organisms interacting with the physical factors of the total world put together. We use one single concept word called as biosphere. Okay, we find that earth is made up of 5 basic elements, and these 5 basic elements are the basis of living creatures, because living creatures are created using these 5 elements, and they complete their life processes using these elements, and once again when they die, these 5 elements, these bodies decompose, and the inorganic elements are once again released into the natural environments. So we find that the concept of biosphere is a very large amalgamation of a total number of species existing on earth together interacting with the 5 elements of earth. Okay, so we start off with a very small concept called as an ecosystem, to a middle level called as a biome, and all biomes of the world put together called as a biosphere, that is the life on earth. Thank you.